Good day viewers, welcome to AD Studio. Today we'll be discussing how you can do a text animation using Kinemaster. As you can see, this is my Kinemaster interface. Although if this is your first time of using Kinemaster, you won't see this project work here. You won't see the project. But because I've been using it before, that's why you can see the project here. So what you do to create a new project, what you do is you just click on this button here, this plus button. The plus button means create a new project. Then you click on it. It will give you it will ask you to choose the aspect ratio of the project. You can pick 16 by 9, 9 by 16, 1.1, depending on what you are working on. But I'll go with 16.9. As you can see. Now the first thing to do is it will take you to your media browser. You want to choose the image you want. If you have maybe an image that you want to do the text animation on, you can just go to your gallery, then you pick the image you want. But if you don't have any image, what you do is click on background. Then you can see different color and images here. So you can just pick any image. Let's say I click on this, click on this mark button here. You have chosen the image you want to use. So what we do is you click on layer. As you can see, layers. Click on layers. Then click on text. As you can see, you have media, effect, overlay, text, and writing. But you click on the text. Then it will bring you here to type in the text you want. Let's choose this studio. Okay. You can click on the arrow beside the text you wrote here to enlarge it. You can see. Click on the straight arrow to enlarge it. As you can see. Then you can click on this to change the font. Click on this to change the color. Click on this to edit your text. This for the in animation, that is this, when the text is showing, the animation that it will come up with. Then this for out animation, that is after showing the animation, how do you want the text to fade away. So now let's go through it one by one. So click on this first to change the font. As I'm using this, click on this mark button. You can see my AB Studio is there. You can see this outline. That is to give it an edges, the color on the edges. When you enable it, as you can see, there's a color there. You have given me a black outline color. You click on this black color here to change the color of the outline. As you can see, I can pick different color. But if the color you want is not in this palette here, you click on this circle. As you can see, you can pick the color you want. You can see. But I want to pick the color from the palette here. So let me choose, let's say blue. As you can see, I have my color. Then when you are done, this to increase this weight here is to increase the size of the outline color. As you can see. Okay, then you click on this mark. I'm done with that. Then now we want to edit the want to give it an animation. So click on in animation. You can be transitioning on different animation feature they give you here. You can click on fade, as you can see. You can see pop. You can see slide right. You can see slide left, slide up. You can see slide down, clockwise. You can see counterclockwise, drop, scale up, scale down, converge, letter by letter. You can see different templates of animation you can use. And when you are done with that, you click on it. Then you come to the out animation. That is, after coming in that way, how will it how will the text disappear? That is the out animation. You cannot pick anyone you want also. The same thing applicable. So you can pick a different intro, animate the animation for the intro, then a different animation for the outro. So when you are done with that, let's say this is our outro. Click on mark, then we are good to go. And I say to change your color or the color of the text, you can click on this white here, then the same thing applicable. Pick the color you want, and you are good to go. Click on mark, and done. Then when you are through with your, as you can see, to check how your text animation and everything will be, you just click on the screen, drag, you can see that is to show, or you can just play to see how you can see to preview your work sample. Then when you are done with it, what you do is you click on this arrow here. This arrow is called export. So you click on it. And you can choose the resolution you want. Is it FHD, HD, or SD? Then you can see the frame rate. I'll go with 30. Then you click on export to export the animation to your phone. As you can see, our text animation is exporting. As you can see, it has been exported successfully. As you can see. So when you check your gallery, you can see the video, the text animation is just exported, and you can change the title and everything. Thank you.